Hello learners, I am Manish Pawar, working as the principal of General BC Joshi RE Public School Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand. Today I am going to share my views on the topic Signs of a Good Teacher. As we all know that a teacher is a person who teaches in an educational institution. But an important question is that just having a basic qualifying degree in education makes one a good teacher. All teachers can stand in front of the class and deliver their lesson. But whether they are doing justice to their job or not is a different matter. A mediocre teacher will try to finish his syllabus in time, irrespective whether the learning has taken place or not. A good teacher loves to put across as much he or she can in the stipulated time. And the best teacher, along with doing what a good teacher does, will also keep in mind that he is building the nation and preparing citizens who would impact others globally. In my opinion, there are three qualities of a good teacher or an educator: good subject knowledge, good communication skill, and good character. The point here to note that all teachers have subject knowledge, communication skills, and character. But are these qualities good enough to educate the learners of 21st century? That is the question that we all need to answer. Let me talk about good subject knowledge. One can easily compare the knowledge of a subject of teacher with amount of water in a river. Like the amount or level of water in river increases with inflow of extra water due to rains or melting glacier. Similarly, the subject teacher with subject knowledge can be enhanced with hard work in learning process. A shallow river makes more noise, especially while it's flowing over rocks and stones. Similarly, a teacher with little knowledge is often seen losing his temper while handling students who are either too weak or who are brilliant. Weak students irritate such teachers and they dread the brilliant ones. They are unable to cater the needs of academically weak and gifted students. They suffer problems in classroom management, disciplinary issues, recapitulation process, and many more. While a teacher with sound subject knowledge is able to satisfy the quest of all types of learners, they help the academically weak students by giving them extra time, like a river with enough water smoothens the sharp edges of rocks. A river that flows in abundance never makes a noise. It flows atop the rocks effortlessly and in doing so smoothens their sharp edges. With their buoyant energy and strength, they help the boats and ships to sail well and reach their destination. Similarly, a teacher with his brilliant subject knowledge is able to help both weak and brilliant students to attain their goals. Let me quote Abraham Lincoln here. I quote, "If I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe." Unquote. To become effective teacher, one need to amend his or her teaching methodology as per the needs of classroom. The curriculum remains the same for a long period of time, but strategies to teach subject must be changed to educate digital learners of 21st century. Teachers must be able to sell his or her subject just like a good sales executive to promote his or her subject. Students must be told about the logic of studying your subject, the usage in real life situation so that the students can relate with themselves. Here, the good communication skills, I mean the medium instruction as per the school management policy, along with verbal and non verbal communication, aspects of a teacher. Let's take an example of English medium schools. A teacher just cannot teach in Hindi or any regional language if students have to write in English in notebooks or during examination. Sometimes in the garb of non-understanding of student in English language, many teachers give excuse of using Hindi medium of instruction. That is unacceptable. Good teachers have to raise the standard of students as per the need of subject matter and media for instruction. For developing communication skills, a person should read and if possible one should attempt to write. Importance of listening and spoken skills cannot be underestimated. Listen to the English news every day. As you will be exposed to good English, yourself will feel comfortable in using better and new words while speaking. Very soon, people around you will also note the difference and will appreciate you. Good teachers are expected to converse in English not only in classroom but in staff room and corridors as well. Start thinking English to expedite the pace of learning. The third important sign of a good teacher is good character. Here, good character does not only limit it to honesty, cheating, or behavioral problems. In teaching profession, I truly believe that it includes various aspects. Punctuality. Be punctual not only in school but in reaching class as well. Many times I have seen teachers scolding students for reaching late when they themselves reach late to class. 100% commitment towards a given task with positive attitude is expected. Teaching is not just a job, it's a calling or it's a passion. Integrity, honesty, accountability of all actions and responsibilities. A good teacher is ready to take any task with innovative ideas and responsible for their implementation. Planning and execution of tasks with full zeal and enthusiasm. Adhering to rules and regulation of system in which they are working. And human understanding with colleagues and students to act as guide, mentor, friends, and many more responsibilities. Let me sum up once again. A good teacher is capable of delivering lesson as per student level and not his or her. He or she does not act as a know-all. Uplifts weak student by asking them simple questions inside the class and not difficult one in order to belittle them. They do not pretend to be sage on the stage but loves to remain a guide by the side. They do not shy away from I don't know, I will let you know in my next class. Love spending time with the students. Like a parent, they can never think ill of his students. They will always wish the best for students, their progress and success. They always feel elated to see his students doing better than him in their lives. It is a time that we all sit and introspect and see where we stand as teachers. Thanks all learners for watching this video. Jai Hind.